Everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over some of the trades that I took today. I really took two trades. One was a signal, one was a trade I took on my own, and then there was two other ideas that I shared with the group. I just didn't personally take them because I was away, but it was trades that we went over in our morning streams. And if you're watching this video, you're in a group, you kind of see me talking through the day and like what my thoughts are going into it. And if you're not in a group, it's kind of like we'll with you when every single day. Of course, we're always looking at ES and Nasdaq. I'm gonna take one by one in this case, just so that we can go over the pre-market plan I had. The pre-market plan I had, I was watching for this high at 5607-ish. Around 5605 is really the area that I had. It was a potential rejection area for a pullback. As you can see, it's on a 50-minute, so we approached it. You can see this is exactly where we got an initial push right off the opening bell, and then we got a rejection lower. We took a short position on the Nasdaq right around that time. So let's jump to the 50 minutes real quick. First thing, what are we looking at? What were the two areas, guys? I only shared two areas into the group. I only said I'm looking for longs. If we pull back to this area, which was this fair value gap here, and this equal lows from 4 a.m. essentially, and which it did happen, and there was a bounce that I mentioned later in the day, but I did not take this area. And I was looking for rejection around if we're taking out these equal highs. So as you can see here, we had equal high, equal high, equal high, and I wanted to see us take it out, but not just take it out, tap into this fair value gap right here that had not been touched yet. Right, tap into that, and exactly what happened. So now a lot of people were trying to short equal highs here. And my issue with shorting these equal highs is you didn't have any other confluences. And I wanted us to tap also into the fair value gap because I really like when my liquidity then taps into fair value gap. Also, if we do this, right, look at the 50 minutes, actually ended up closing under the golden pocket, right? So let's just jump back into the 1 minute. So that's your area, right? That's your larger time frame area. That's the area you're watching when price gets around there, right? So then boom, you jump on the 1 minute. We took a short on Nasdaq, and on the 1 minute you're looking for an entry. And I literally had drawn this before this played out. If you're in the group, you remember this. I literally had drawn. I was like, hey, I want to look for initial rejection here, then increasing kind of imbalance. In this case, fair value gap and an inverted fair value gap here, a retest, and then move lower. I was hoping maybe we get like down here, then retest and move lower. But I was looking around those lines. That's exactly what we got. We got this entry right here. But also to note, guys, look at another clue that we got in the 1 minute. Look at this bearish divergence right at 950 candle. 950 candle right before the 10 a.m. reversal. Look at that. Yes, does not take out a high, but NQ does. And it's a small detail. You have to understand, when you're trading, it's all about the small details. It's small detail that nobody caught except me, and that's why I mentioned it to the stream. Right? Again, now it's showing us, hey, we're getting some confirmation of bearish bias at this resistance after a really strong opening. Right? A really strong opening, a really strong overnight session. Then you tap into this, you close under it, you take your short position there, and then depending on your risk factor, you can either risk the high of this candle, keep it real tight. Me personally, I'll probably risk the high of the day for about 20 points and target here, and then potentially the low day, right? Or this right here, 19,125. And exactly the trade that we took. Our head trader Don also alerted it at the same time. And so I made about 50%ish at its peak on my QQQ puts that I took on the 0 dates. And again, this is also a trade you could have easily taken on ES2. As you can see, ES right here fails to even fill the fair value gap. Here in Q does. It was the relative strength versus ES, but it's another trade you could take. You tap into the fair value gap, use it as a stop loss, you look in for the highs. As you can see, it went lower. Right. Now let's talk about another trade that we had seen. Now, you see this is the morning low right here, 9:30, and this is the sell-off. You can see here we have some strong bullish divergence. Yes, making a deep low while NQ making a really strong higher low, right? So this is kind of telling you, hey, potentially this can be turned bullish, right? And what I was looking for right around this area was some confirmation of the bullish reactions. So first you get a nice inverted fair value gap right here, and you get a nice push up, inverting this secondary 1 minute fair value gap. And here to know is to not chase the move in the inverted fair value gap, but wait for a retracement into either A, the golden pocket plus fair value gap combo for a nice discounted price, or look for some kind of imbalance to get filled. In this case, you got both here on ES, but preferably actually I took this on NQ. So this, we had some consolidation right here. And I said, if we broke out with strength, retested for value gap, and pushed higher, this would have been a good long. Again, I did not take this because I had to leave. It was exactly what I broke down to the team. And for pretty much the high day, in this case, it didn't get it, but you would have probably stopped out for a pretty decent profit when it came right back down 19,980. We're taking some profits around 1990 and 20,000 mental number. And again, yes, kind of giving you the better move for the day overall. Right, again, now that's 2 trades. As people we're just killing it. We're just taking trades over trades over trades. And then we go back to later in the day around 11:30, which again, I'm in Italy, so much later for me. I was out supermarket. I checked my phone and I see that we're at this bounce area. And I posted in my group. I said, hey, we're at the bounce area here. I'm not saying I'm in, but we're at a solid bounce area here. Now, when you wait for a bounce area, very similarly to what we just talked about, with the short area, looking for some kind of confirmation, or some confirmation that this reversal is going to work. And what do you see? You start seeing consolidation, right? You get this consolidation move, a breakout move out of it, gets retested, held, gets retested, held, another breakout move, gets retested, held, retested, held. And Q, same thing. This retesting and holds. So your bullish levels are getting well respected while your bearish levels are not. And you want your entries to be at these bullish levels, right? For example, this for value gap right here. It's your entry, your target, whatever the next side, the next for value gap. In this case, you just kept on running. And this is what you're looking for. You're looking for ideas and then get confirmed. Like golden pocket right here too. If we aim it from the low to the high, golden pocket lines up with it for value gap here. And these are your confirmations. These are your 1 minute confirmation off of the larger time frame ideas that you have. And that's all that trading is about, is have your larger time frame ideas and use for confirmation on those bias ideas to enter your trade and execute on the trade. And if you're not in my group, I explain to you what I'm seeing real time, whether it's good, whether it's bad, right? Whether it's a win, whether it's a loss. It's not about signals, it's not about the win streak, it's not about all these other shit that so many people care about. But it's all about the education that you're getting every single day. If you don't learn me every single day, the link is down below. You score $39 in your first month. Promise you, just our core mentorship alone, videos that we have will quite make, you'll thank me for those. So I hope you learned. a lot in this video. I hope you learned some of the trades. I think some of the best ways to learn is for trades or ideas that I had and me coming in and pretty rawly just explain to you off the charts. That's how you're going to learn the boring old charts. Anyway, I hope this video helped, and as always, peace.